Hey, Verlinda Sweeting here. Today's review is going to be about Referral Frenzy. So if you are using SafeList for your advertising needs, Referral Frenzy is a tool that allows you to send your mailings automatically through the members area. And I'm going to show you how to use it. So here is the page here. I also have the link below in the description. So you can click on it and follow along with me so I can show you how to get started with it, how to use it, and you'll be on your way to send out your mailings as well. All right, so this is Referral Frenzy again. If you scroll here, you'll be able to see the top performing mailers that the owner has chosen. You can see all the mailers here. So if you just take a moment and look at all the mailers or the safe list here, see if you're a member of any of them or all of them really. And I believe it's over like 100 mailings. We'll find out on the inside, but this is what you have here. It says mailings will be done from your members area remotely and automatically. All right, and I'm going to show you how this works. So I've done a review in the past of Referral Frenzy. I did about 2 videos in the past. It was a while ago. So this is more of an update. It's pretty much, the same. Nothing's really changed too much. Just some mailers has been added and things like that, but it still works just as good as it has when Referral Frenzy first opened. All right, so here's the owner here, Marty. She also owns some traffic exchanges and safelists. She's very well known. When you're ready to join, the link is below. We have the join button now here. If you are ready, you can just follow along with me so I can show you how to use this. You're going to create your account. That's the first thing you'll need to do. So enter your first name, your primary email address, and a username. And as you can see right here, it says, please enter 3 black symbols. So you see these symbols, there's 1, 2, 3. So you would enter that here and then you would click join. Now your letters are going to be different, but just make sure you read the note here so you can know what you need to enter here before you click the button, okay? You scroll down, you may see me as your refer, or if someone else referred you to Referral Frenzy, you'll see their name, okay? After you completed this form, you're going to need to check your email address. The email that you entered right here, you're going to go to that email, check and look for Referral Frenzy. So check your inbox or check your spam if you don't see it. And there will be a link inside where you would most likely have to confirm your account. And once you do, you may get a notice that you might have to create a password, or perhaps they may give you one and you can just change it later. Let's just go to the members area and you'll be able to log in once you have everything set, you've confirmed, you have your password, and you can log in. All right, so you're going to see some specials here. So just look out for that. You can either lock it in or you can go straight to the members area. All right. Here we are in the members area. I'm just going to dig right into it so you can get started and how to use this. So we're going to click on my ads. In this area, you can add up to 100 different messages. So you know how we take out our notepad and we're able to have a headline, a message, and we have our affiliate link? Well, this is what you'll be doing in this section. So right down here, you'll have your subject line, your message, and your URL. Okay? You can choose to put your message in plain text, and then you can create HTML. So here it is here, HTML, all right? And then you have the fonts that you can use. Just click the arrow and you can change that. You have the sizes, and you also have background color, text color, all of that here, okay? Image. And then you have your URL and you'll click save. And once you click save, everything will be stored right here, okay? As long as you are a member of Referral Frenzy, everything will be stored right here, okay? So if you need to change it or delete it or anything like that, you can do that. So just for example, let's go ahead and edit this, and you can see that this is an HTML, okay? So how do you know? How can you tell the difference? HTML is right here. So if it says no, that means it's in text. If it says yes, that means it's in HTML. All right. So you have all your headlines. You can come in and edit them. You can add more and more and more there. And this is just going to save you time because you won't have to worry about, bothering this again unless you want to come back and edit them. Okay. So let's just say you have your ad out and you're good to go, right? The next thing you want to do is come here where it says send v2.0. All right. So just know that you can't use this mailer if you're a free member. Okay. All right. But you can set up and enter your affiliate IDs and everything here. But in order to use the mailer, you have to be upgraded in order to use it. Okay, so here are all the mailers here. If I scroll all the way down, you will see that there's 66 of these mailers. Okay, all right. So first thing, right here you see an X because I haven't joined advertising mails. All right, so if you're not a member of any of these safe lists, what you'll do is you'll click on them. They'll open up in a new tab. Okay, and you sign up. Okay, just like if you've seen my SafeList videos, I show you how to sign up in SafeList, but this is what you need to do. Fill out the form, sign up. When you signed up, you created a username and a password, okay? So you'll need to take the username and password and enter it right here. So I'm going to click here, and you'll see you'll be able to enter your username and password and click update, all right? Once you click update, it's going to automatically take you back to where you are, and it's going to have a green check mark, meaning that you're good to go. Over here, you see where it shows where you last mail, your referral ID, and your how many credits you have. So if you don't see it yet when you first entered this information, just give it some time to kind of get into the system, and that way, it'll show in later. All right, so everything green here, you can see the one that I've joined. The ones that I have not yet to join, I need to enter the information in here, okay? So the green is all of the plain text mailers. So if you remember, back where it says my ads, I showed you where you would enter your plain text and your HTML text, all right? So there's plain text right there in green, and right here is the HTML mailers, okay, that allows you to send in HTML. So it's up to you of how you want to do this. If you want to have an ad for text or an ad also for HTML, it's the same ad that you're using. The only difference is one is text and one is email. Okay, that's up to you if you want to do that. When you get ready to send out your mailings, all right, here's where the fun part happens, okay? I'm going to select all here, and this is basically selecting only the plain text. You see, I didn't get the HTML, all right? But if you wanted to select the HTML as well, you would just hit this one as well, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Send Mail. So we're going to do the plain text, and we're just going to tick this box for the plain text mailers, and I'm going to hit Send Mail. Okay, so over here, you can see that you have your plain text messages to the mailers listed below. All right. Right here is Ant Mailer, Atlas Safe List. We will, if you're familiar with all these safe lists and you're involved in them, then you should be using a tool like Referral Frenzy to make your life a lot easier. And you can just click one button and it'll send all your ads out for you in each safe list, and then you can go to bed. All right, so here it is. These areas are the stats. So it shows you your membership level, okay? And it shows you the mailer credits. So however many credits you have inside of Ant Mailer, it shows you right here, okay? So you don't have to log in to check and see. Your message will be sent to one member for every credit used. I need to have more credits, okay? So what I would do is I would use my good old buddy, the Easy Mail Clicker, okay? And then I would search for Ant Mailer right here, okay? I'm just gonna open 5 just for the sake of this video. Refresh. These tools go very well together, Referral Frenzy and Easy Mail Clicker. So I'm gonna click Open, check links, and I'm going to gather my credits. Okay. And I'm just waiting for the timer to be up. Let me refresh that one again because that didn't show good. All right, so I'm just getting my credits. Okay. All right. Now, what I will do is go back here and then I would just check stats and it will refresh this number. So you see where it says 2471? Now it's 2496. Okay. So I'm going to click some more. Okay. So Atlas Safe List, I know I have enough mailings here. So this is good to go. Weeble, you can see I have more than enough. I'm allowed to send to 2,000 members. Okay. The next mailer here, I'm allowed to send to 1,000. So I have enough. Dragon Safely, I have more than enough here. All right. I'm pretty good to go. And then remember, Referral Frenzy, with the bonus, they give you these credits every month. Okay. So just remember that too. Listed Venture, that's good to go. This bonus, I'm going to need to click some more for this one. Okay, so you understand what it is here. Now, you'll see some that says that you can't mail at the moment. It says I need credits in order to use this mailer. So all I would do is go to that particular safe list and gather my credits and then click stats and refresh that, okay? So I'm gonna not mail here for now. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and do it just so that I can show you guys how this works, okay? All right. So the ones that are in red, the box will be unticked because it says you can't mail there. All right. So, okay, we're going to go ahead and just mail. Now, once you scroll down here, you can choose when you want your mailings to go out. You can schedule them. Okay. And this is the date and the hour. You can select the time as well. And it's in UTC time. So just look that up for your wherever you're located. And if you want to schedule it, you can do that. Now, here's where we have these ads. So remember we came here and we did our ads, right? So if you have your ads set up and saved here, then they're going to show up right down here. Okay. So all you're going to do is choose your ad. So I'm going to choose mine. And guess what? I'm going to click post ad. And you see it's sending to all the mailings. So it's not going to be 24 because there were like 2 of them that I couldn't mail to right away. 22. You see? You see that? And once your ad is sent out, everything's good to go. You know, you may have to wait the next day or something like that, but you can check your stats. Now, just think about how long it would have taken you to do them individually, to log into them, click on credits, and you know, add your subject line and all that, copy and paste, and then each one. How long would it have taken you to do that when you could use something like Referral Frenzy, set your ad up once, you can change it, edit it, you can add more ads in there if you want to use a different ad and switch it up. But you see how quickly that was for me to do. And I can move on with my day. Let's go back here to V 2.0. So we use the text ad mailing. So now we have our HTML mailers, right? And again, you know, the more safe lists that you're in, I mean, these are some pretty good safe lists. I just need to join some more of these, right? But once you have them all, I mean, the goal with advertising your business is to get as many people as you can to see your page. Okay? Get as many eyes on your website as you can. So here we have HTML. We're going to click on send mail. And you can see here, right here, it says you need to read 7 emails before you can use this mailer. So you know how we would go inside of our Gmail to click for our credits? Well, sometimes you can come here to read the email. So let me check and see, because sometimes it doesn't show up, but that's okay, because guess what? I can go inside the mailer to do that, or I can use Easy Mail Clicker. I can do that as well. So I have my credits here. I'm actually going to need more. I think I need 2,500 for this one. Okay, advertising for today. So for example, let's see what this shows. See, it might not be there. Sometimes it doesn't show there. But I have Easy Mail Clicker. I would just come here, advertising for today, and we'll just do it like that, just to show you guys. I go to Easy Mail Clicker to get my credits, so I don't have to go to Gmail to do that. I can just come straight over here. Okay, so here we go, guys. I'm gonna get these credits. All right, so after you do that, let's just say we had all our credits. Just click your stats, it'll update and everything, okay? So I have a little bit more work to do here, so I'm not going to send anything, but at least you know what to do. The concept is the same as the text, okay? Only thing different is you're going to be sending HTML, but you can do either. You see, you can either send a plain text or HTML. All right, so it doesn't matter. So all you're going to do here is just make sure you have all your credits. You want to check your stats to refresh, or you can just, come to your browser and refresh the page, and make sure you have all your credits and that you can mail that day. If you can't mail, you'll see it'll have a checkbox. It may say you got to look at 5 ads before you post your email. So like I said, there is red because it's showing me I have a little work to do. And then once you get to the bottom, you'll see where it says plain text, plain text, plain text, HTML. So if you wanted to use HTML, you would just click that. And then if you want to schedule it, you can. If you don't, you post it, it'll send it out right away. And then you can move on to whatever else you're doing. Maybe you want to do a YouTube video, or, whatever your DMO is, that's what you would do. All right, so let's look at this with the upgrade, okay? So you can understand how this is. Upgrading is what you want to do. You can send out mailings to all members, 108 right now, using your members area in just minutes. You fill in your logins, okay? You get hundreds of dollars of bonus advertising and mailers and traffic exchanges. A user account gets all of this for just $15 a month. If you want a promoter account where you can earn 50% commissions, you can do that as well. You just have to choose that option. So when you click here, it'll say see available monthly and lifetimes here. So this is where you can come and check all of that out right here, guys. All right. Right here. And you just choose which plan you want. Okay, they even have a yearly, they have a lifetime, and you also get 3 solo ads added to that too when you choose the lifetime. Okay, you don't ever have to pay for it again. All right. Okay. And then if you want the lifetime promoter, that's $237. You don't ever have to pay for that again. So that means you can use the mailer and you can also earn commissions. Okay. So there's Marty again. All right, guys. So that's it for Referral Frenzy. I showed you how to use it. It's very simple to put together. And, if you guys have any questions, you need help with anything, just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. But this is Referral Frenzy. To all of the individuals that use safelists out there, consider using this tool to make your life a little bit easier when using safelists, posting your ads. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.